Consume these tropical fruits for better digestion and less inflammation. Hello friends, my name is Erin Hullender, and today I would like to share with you two amazing tropical fruits that help with digestion and fight inflammation and pain. What could they be? Keep watching to find out. In his book, Dr. Thomas Jackson says, "Have you ever wondered why people who live in the area where pineapple is largely consumed, such as Hawaii, look younger than their real age?" Well, the secret is out. Bromelain, protease enzyme, which is an enzyme that breaks down protein, is actually found in fresh pineapple and is the main reason for the many healing properties of pineapple. It minimizes the breaking down of cellular structure caused by free radicals that often form wrinkles and the hardening of the arteries. In addition, since bromelain works similar to the stomach's own pepsin, people with scanty gastric juice or weakened stomachs can be benefited by eating pineapple. Bromelain is a more excellent anti-inflammatory than aspirin, for example, and other non-steroidal and other anti-inflammatory drugs. A fast on raw pineapple and unsweetened pineapple juice can resolve minor sports injuries, such as acute tendinitis. It can help minimize pain and swelling after a tooth removal when used on a longer fast before extraction, combined with zinc, vitamin B complex, bioflavonoids, and vitamin C. Bromelain is also effective in any anti-inflammatory condition, like rheumatoid arthritis. Bromelain thins mucus, which makes it beneficial for asthma and bronchitis. It also thins blood by breaking down the blood clotting protein fibrin. This can improve symptoms of angina. So the next time you eat a pineapple for breakfast, remember all of the benefits that you can reap from this fruit. And don't be afraid to get seconds. Now let's talk about papaya, a digestive friend. Despite what your taste buds may say, your stomach will love papaya. This amazing fruit helps to break down proteins thanks to papain, an enzyme similar to the stomach's own pepsin. Because of its anti-inflammatory property, papaya soothes ulcers and heartburn. This is due to its ability to neutralize excess gastric juice and any inflammation in the digestive tract. Also, your skin will love the abundance of provitamin A, which papaya supplies. When included in the diet, papaya can help in resolving skin problems such as eczema and acne. As a matter of fact, papaya juice has 22 times more vitamin A and 3 times more vitamin C than orange juice, which is a good thing to remember during flu season. Papayas are also good for colon disorders, acidosis, and excess uric acid and toxic acids in the body. Here is a recipe for better digestion and to help your body fight inflammation and pain. Take half of a fresh pineapple, include the core, just cut it into chunks. Take 1 to 2 cups of 100% pineapple juice, preferably not from concentrate, and if you can juice your pineapple, even better. Take half of a papaya, peeled, seeded, and cut into chunks. 1 to 2 kiwi fruits. And finally, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger or 2½ tablespoons of grated ginger root. Add all the ingredients into your blender, blend on high until it's smooth, and you can eat it immediately. Add more juice to thin it out, or less if you desire it thicker. Remember to store it in a tightly sealed container in the refrigerator for no more than 2 days. So friends, it is my prayer for you that you walk in perfect health. I love the book of Psalms in the Bible because it is full of encouragement for us. Psalm 107:20 says, "He sent forth His word, and He healed them, and He delivered them from their destructions." God supplies what we need. We can believe His word, and we can trust in His love. If you enjoyed this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.